Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Must Kitchen once again. Friends, today I am going to share tin tarkari recipe with you. The name is tin tarkari because I have used 3 vegetables to prepare this: potato, brinjal and raw papaya. If you want, then you can use 4-5 vegetables to prepare the same recipe. I will prepare this dish with bari. Bari is prepared in 3 steps. First, grinding the soaked lentils. Second, dividing into small portions. And third, sun-drying those small portions. So let's move to my must kitchen to prepare tin tarkari. To prepare this, we will add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil to a pan. We'll spread the oil to the pan using a spatula like this. If you spread the oil, then vegetables doesn't stick to the pan. Now add bari to the kadhai. Fry till brown. Bari is made out of lentils. After grinding the soaked lentils, by dividing into small portions and drying in sunlight, baris are prepared. Take out all the baris from the pan once they have turned brown. Add a dry red chilli and half a teaspoon of panch foron. Panch foron is combination of cumin seeds, fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds and onion seeds. Fry the panch foron for 30 seconds. Now add the vegetables. I have taken potato, raw papaya and brinjal. 150 gram each vegetable. Add around 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix all the vegetables with a spatula. You can take vegetables of your choice or whatever is left in your refrigerator can be added. Now add salt to taste. 1/3 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half teaspoon of ginger paste. Gently mix all together. Now cover with a lid, lower the flame and cook for 5 minutes. Now you can notice that the volume has been reduced. We'll stir once. Now we'll add half cup of water to the pan. Stir once. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and check if the vegetables have become tender. Brinjal gets cooked very fast. We will check potato and raw papaya. Till now we have cooked up to 70%. We'll have to cook 5-6 more minutes. Now we will add the fried baris to the pan. Bari should not be added before this time, otherwise it might get broken and mixed with the curry. We'll mix the bari gently like this. Now we will add half cup of hot water to this. Mix with a spoon. Cover the lid and cook for 6 more minutes. After 6 minutes, our tin tarkari is ready. Vegetables are well cooked. We'll break the bari like this in order to get good flavor of bari to the curry. At the end, we will add half teaspoon of sugar to this and mix well. Now we will cover the pan, turn off the stove and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Friends, you have seen how easy to prepare this recipe. It's simple, healthy and tasty. You must try it in your kitchen, and if you like it, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press bell icon. Thank you very much for visiting my Mast Kitchen.